184 wins, 0 losses. Last time I did a video like this for you guys, we were at 180 wins. We won an 8%, 5%, an 8%, and a 10% trade. So that's pretty cool. So we've got emotional index here sitting in the higher neutral section today. Last Monday, when I came out with this video, we were in the anxious section and we actually pushed down into fearful, which is great because we ended up putting $10,000 into the market because the data said that if we ever push into fearful or get very low in the anxious section here, we are due for moves back up. So everybody watching the metrics, if you guys are following the calls in the membership, great job, guys. Our account actually rebounded $40,000 in 2.5 hours. And that was actually on Friday, so pretty amazing. Let's take a look at what Big Whale Smart Money is doing. Guys, look at this. It was just such a perfect call. I get so excited, guys. If you are just following these metrics, it's kind of hard. I'm not saying they're always going to be right. That's not true, but it's pretty fun here. So we got a really huge bar up here. It was the highest amount of buying from whales that we have seen for the whole duration of time here. And this is actually, let me go back here a little bit. Actually, well, there's December, there's November. It was the highest amount. I don't even know last time we can see this. September 10th, 2023 was the last time that we got a signal this strong that whales were buying. If you guys ended up taking action on this, all of your guys' trades that you've either scalped or you put money into the market, you are all up. Great, great job. Again, we put the $10,000 into the market here. What's going on today? Well, we see a little bit of short sentiment coming out in the market. I don't, doubt that. We'll do some updates for you guys later on why I think this is happening. But great job for everybody who's been following this. It's looking pretty bullish still, I believe, but we'll go over a few more charts here. Let's look at dollar cost average entries and exits. I'm curious to see, we ended up getting a huge signal here for an entry. Great job again for everybody who entered in here. Green bars down to the downside ended up signaling that this was a very, very good time to get money into Bitcoin for a dollar cost average entry. Now, if you guys are looking to take some exits, I'm not looking yet, but we want to be watching for the red bars to come out here. And then once that happens, it's at your discretion. Choose to exit some if you want. I would not be exiting all your portfolios when you see reds. I would say maybe a 10, maybe 15% dollar cost average exit. I think we have a lot more room to go. And if we just take a look at this real quick, you guys know we've been looking at this massive bull flag that's been forming. And, I think the bottom, potentially could be in and we could be seeing moves back up. So great job again for everybody who got in at that lower level. Let's go down here to the support and resistance levels and kind of, see where we're going here. The next resistance, guys, it sits at 71,789. Or you got to push all the way up to 72,777. So this is actually incredibly bullish for us this morning where we've got, let me take out a little percentage tool here. We have about 13% that we could just be moving up here where there's really not much to resistance. We have a little guy right here, which is market up at about 67,000. But if we can pass that, it's looking pretty good. If we do move down to the downside, I would say grabbing crypto again, about 60,700 is not a bad idea. Just a little break and retest based off this descending. Now we have a support line here, which we could be bouncing off of pretty soon. But guys, just want to come on here on this Monday and say great job for watching and following the metrics. Whenever you are in the fearful section, you guys see Whale Smart Money buying to this degree over here. Long sentiment was in the market like crazy last Monday when I came out with this video. And then we got green bars to the downside. Guys, I'm not your financial advisor, but look to get some money into the market, at least on a dollar cost average entry. We called some trades out down here. And like I said, 8%, 5%, 8%, 10% that we won. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll pin it as the first link. Will be a link to the membership. You guys can get in and watch these specific metrics on all 40 coins, including AI coins as well that we've added, which is pretty cool. Bonk. We have FET, we have Quant, we've got Render. I usually don't go over and show people this, but I thought it'd be fun. ICP. Guys, use these to help yourself time entries. Have a good one. Links are in the description. Join the trade setups if you would like. I think we're going to win some more this week. Bye, guys.